Fun story about writing the book Thirsty. There's a lot of versions of it that I've written. And I landed on the one that I landed with the three parts because I wanted you to open up reading the parable and not thinking, is she talking about me? Is she talking about us? All of the things that you're reading, I've done that with my clients a variety of ways. Regardless of the industry, the size of the team, the opportunities repeat themselves. As I've said in the past, cultural dehydration isn't only common, it's predictable. I use this approach to get you excited through a parable. I want you to have fun with it and lean in. There's common things and there's common patterns about every team that I've ever worked with. That's not to say that everybody's the same, but the situations, because they all include human elements, are the same. And I've given real life examples through a fictional perspective to help you, the reader, consume it and then to be able to apply it, to laugh and to have a little bit of fun at yourself and your team along the way. Organizations face the same challenges because anytime there are two humans working together, we're going to have challenges. That's why it's got that consultancy feel through a fictional lens in order to bring the stories to life